Wait, hold up. Oh, wait a second. Who are you? I'm future you. Well, I'm you from the future. Listen, I know you think these generic spill kits are your only option, and you keep going back to them in spite of their shortcomings. Joe, I've seen that future. Don't make the same mistakes I did. There's a better way. Let me show you. Joe in the know here with spill kits for trucks. Are you sick and tired of never having enough space on your work truck? Do your current spill control materials always seem to get in the way? Do you dream about having more room for your vital tools and equipment? If you're used to big bulky oil spill cleanup products, you may think there's no other way. Well, get ready, because your dream's about to come true. Introducing Spill Kits for Trucks, the very first spill kit that can fit anywhere. That's right, anywhere. You don't have space on your work truck or fleet vehicle for bulky spill kits. That's why HalenHardy developed the most compact oil cleanup materials that have ever existed. Just how compact is it? The Seat Pocket Smoosh Kit is so compact it can slide in, under, or between your truck seats. You can't do that with traditional spill buckets or duffels. And you'll be surprised at how many Smoosh Kits you can fit on board, whether you need a little or you need a lot. Now you get to choose how much oil spill containment and cleanup you take with you, and still have room to spare. Don't worry, Smoosh Kits are just as effective as the rest of the Spilltration line you know and trust. Just look how the other guy's sorbents allow oil to run off in wet conditions. What a mess! State-of-the-art Smoosh Kit products absorb oil, fuel, hydraulic fluid, motor oil, and transmission fluid, all while letting clean, clear water filter through. Oil sticks, water wicks. Wondering about all the places you can stuff, stack, cram, or wedge your Smoosh Kits? What if I told you you can fit them under your seats, behind your seats, between your seats, inside your seat pockets, in your toolbox, in your utility box, even in the trunk of your car? That's not all. You can store Smoosh Kits anywhere, saving you money in storage and shipping. Plus, Smoosh technology lets us pack 5 gallons of oil spill control in this compact kit. Smoosh Kits are 400 to 500% smaller than traditional spill kits that are mostly air anyways, so pack them and stack them wherever you choose. But wait, there's more! Not only can you save money in storage and shipping costs, Smoosh Kits are also designed to be reused. Simply wring it out and use it over and over again. Get back in the driver's seat with spill control products that fit anywhere. Take back your space with Smoosh Kits for trucks. I just never knew. It's not too late. Man, you or me, us, really saved my hide back there. I can't thank you enough. You know what? Here,